So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of run64 dll file missing on your system while you try to play GTA 5. Now, in order to fix it, simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for the same, that is run64 dll, and hit download over there for GTA 5. Now, once you do it, just simply open this first website, and you need to download a small file that is of some kbs. That is the exact dll file for the GTA 5 that you need. Now, once you download that particular file, you simply need to paste that particular file in your GTA 5 folder. You just simply need to paste and replace that particular file. Here you can see, just simply in the search bar, just simply search for run e64 and hit search dll file, and you'll see this option of. And once you paste and download that particular file, you'll notice that this particular error will not again come to your game. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.